Welcome to Toby Hammocks, one of Jamaica's exciting new residential development, and it is located right here in Freetown, Clarendon, and it's designed for first-time homeowners, investors, family, and yes, this development is designed just for you. We have a lot to talk about today. This is a very exciting video. I have something special for you today. So we're going to get into a drone shot while I give you the details of this development, as well as I'll give you a walkthrough tour of the model unit right here at Toby Hammocks. So from what I can see, this development is lining up to be a very beautiful development, with each unit featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a den, and an open concept layout. And the size of the unit is approximately 1,280 square feet, with the lot size, very generous lot size here, ranging from 5,700 to 8,000 square feet. And this gives the homeowners ample space for outdoor living. And I know you guys love the open concept, so that's exactly what you will be getting inside this unit. All right, as you can see as we fly over, what I can tell you is that these units are built with high quality concrete, so they are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, which will ensure long-lasting strength and reliability. Want to talk about smart homes with modern technology? The terminal properties of this concrete promotes energy efficiency, and it helps to regulate indoor temperatures, reduce energy consumption, and lowers utility costs. And each unit also comes with solar energy systems and solar water heaters. At Toby Hammocks, the units are not only elegantly designed, but they are combined with functionality. They are not only practical, but they are also appealing to the eyes. So they are spacious with modern layouts. You'll have access to clubhouse, children's play area, and this will all be in a gated environment. Now for the special part of this video, the Jane Bank teams invite you to a special open house under the theme Build Financial Independence Through Home Ownership. And this is honoring the spirit of independence by encouraging persons to invest in their future and start building wealth through the power of home ownership. So this special open house will be taking place on a Saturday and Sunday, August 8 and 9, and that is 2026. So don't mix up the date. Put it in on your calendars, put it in your phone as a reminder. The time to be there is 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And there will be a special starting price of only $35 million, and condition applies to this price. All right. So they're inviting us to come out to take advantage of their exclusive mortgage offers, which includes special mortgage interest rate for this particular development, Toby Hammocks, reduced processing fee, potential rates on auto loans, personal and unsecured loans, and fast pre-approval support to help you move into your new home sooner. So you don't want to miss out on this open house, because JN Bank will be there to support you. So come with all the questions, as the team will be there to answer them for you and to guide you through every step of your home ownership journey. And just in case, for whatever reason you're unable to make it to this open house, JN Bank will be on location every last Sunday of the month, and it will give you another opportunity to view the development, to tour the property, and also to speak to mortgage specialists. So you have ample time, you have a lot of opportunity. Don't miss out on this chance
buy in to Toby Hammocks.
So with all that out of the way, let us get out of the sun and go on the inside to take a tour of this beautiful model unit here at Toby Hammocks. So let's go on the inside. Right, so there we have it. Another beautiful property tour done. But just remember to join the JN Bank team for a special open house on August 8th and 9th. So that's the Saturday and the Sunday at 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And you don't want to miss it, because guess what? We're building financial independence through home ownership. So come out, get your personal experience, feel the environment for yourself. I know you can't get that from this video, so ensure that you are present at the open house. But just in case you miss it, every last Sunday in the month, JN Bank will be at Toby Hammocks to answer your questions, to give you a walkthrough of the model unit. And guess what? They're ready and they're waiting to process your mortgage. So don't delay. Come on down to Toby Hammocks, where your dream house, your future home awaits you. So it's peace out from Chris here at Toby Hammocks. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, and remember as always to leave your comments. If I cannot answer your questions, I know exactly who can. So I'll see you guys in another video.